Hi there, everyone. This is Dr. Schroeder with this week's video introduction to week number 7 of our course in evidence-based practice. And congratulations, you're through the bulk of the class. The heavy lifting is done. If you've completed your evidence-based practice part 2 paper, that really is the last big item of work for this class. And so my hat is off to you. This has been it's been a big project. This is a very intensive and a very knowledge-filled class. There's a lot of things that we cover, so my hat is off to you. It's not an easy class, and so you've hung in there, you've made it. Congratulations. We finish out the next couple weeks with just some discussion questions. In week number 7, the discussion question is going to focus on how are you going to take the findings of your evidence-based practice project. Let's say that you completed your evidence-based practice project and you have outcomes, and so now you have what is essentially a nursing research project. And hopefully this is something that you'll be able to publish or that you'll be able to disseminate to a larger population. So the focus this week is to review the materials that we have on the AHRQ. That's the Agency for Health, Research, and Quality. And it is a government agency. It is the agency, along with the NIH, that really directs a lot of the nursing research that happens throughout the discipline. And so review those materials and think about what are some ways that you could communicate this. And think about communicating it not just to the people within your organization. That is kind of sort of a given that you're going to talk about it in staff meetings and in your meetings with your faculty and whatnot. But think in terms of to the larger body of knowledge, to the larger body of nursing literature. How would you disseminate this information? What would be some appropriate avenues or some possible ways that you would do that? So that will be your discussion question for this week. And that's really pretty much it. We're getting into towards the end of class. It takes me a little while to grade these evidence-based practice papers. So I will be grading them starting today, but they will not all be graded until close to the end of the week, possibly the weekend. So just be aware of that. If you don't see a grade right away, that is why. I tend to grade them in the order that they pop up in the system. So depending on when you submit it or when you actually got it in, that will really sort of determine the order in which it is actually graded. So as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. It's been a great class. It's been some great discussions with some great work. And so I'm looking forward to the last couple weeks of discussion. So everybody have a great week, and we'll see you in the discussion forums.